WWTY Ransomware is another malware strain that's part of the prolific Stop Djvu ransomware family. Like other similar infections, this version locks target files and then demands a ransom fee to restore file access. Malicious programs like WWTY Ransomware can be distributed via software bundles. So if you tend to download freeware or pirated apps via torrent or cracked software sites, you may end up installing similar threats. WWTY Ransomware locks most of the popular file types, including photos, music, documents, and videos. During the file encryption process, WWTY Ransomware adds the .wwty extension to the affected files and leaves a ransom note on the user's desktop and in every folder containing encrypted files. When WWTY Ransomware is downloaded and installed, it employs the AES encryption algorithm to lock up files. Often, information stealers like Vidar and Zeus are deployed alongside the ransomware, allowing hackers access to sensitive information before encryption. Thus, it's possible that WWTY Ransomware also does this. Once encryption is complete, WWTY Ransomware demands a ransom in exchange for a decryption key. It costs $980, but the hackers will offer a 50% discount and only charge $490 if you contact them within 3 days. The hackers can be contacted at support@freshmail.top and data restore help at airmail.cc. We discourage establishing contact with them, as there's no guarantee they'll provide decryption tools or even communicate with you. It's important to note that WWTY Ransomware does not just encrypt data, it may attempt to delete shadow copies of affected files on your computer, making data recovery difficult if not impossible. It is highly recommended that you don't attempt to pay a ransom for decryption, as this does not guarantee that you'll get access back to your files. The best course of action is focusing on how to restore your data and protecting your system from future threats. Additionally, anyone who suspects their system has been infected with ransomware should immediately disconnect plugged-in devices from the affected computers, because ransomware can spread across the network. How do I deal with the WWTY ransomware infection? To protect yourself from the WWTY ransomware attack, you should practice safe web browsing habits like refraining from opening email attachments from unknown senders or downloading programs from unreliable sources. You should also have a reputable malware remediation tool installed on your computer. That way you can regularly scan for elements associated with this troublesome ransomware infection and other malware. Also, to reduce the potential damage of a future infection, please consider backing up your files on an external hard drive or cloud storage. You know, as I think about the dangers that exist online, not unlike the subjects we learned about in this video, I know I feel a lot better having an anti-malware program like Spy Hunter installed in my PC, providing me the protection I need against malware, and I think you should too. Spy Hunter 5's strongest features are found in its malware repair capabilities. Spy Hunter 5's remediation algorithms dive deep into your system to remove and address complex malware issues affecting PCs today. While many anti-malware products only flag and quarantine malware and ultimately fail to fully remediate the root problem, the Spy Hunter 5 remediation algorithm detects, quarantines, and programmatically repairs malware problems on your PC. Spy Hunter 5 is a powerful PC utility that repairs malware threats in many cases where other competing anti-malware and antivirus programs may fail. To detect and remove malware for free, go to enigmasoftware.com and download Spy Hunter today. Thanks for watching.